Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Kodak Luma 150 Mini Wireless Projector Kit. This little gem is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work, create, and present. From cookie decorating to presentations, this projector is the perfect tool for anyone looking for a portable, easy-to-use, and high-quality projection solution. Let's start with one of my favorite features, the overhead projection capability. The adjustable tripod that comes with the kit allows you to position the projector above your workspace, providing a clear and unobstructed view of your project. This is especially useful for cookie decorating, crafts, art demos, and tabletop tutorials. The ability to project from above eliminates the need for cumbersome equipment and allows you to focus on your craft. Imagine being able to decorate cookies with precision and ease, or demonstrate a complex art technique to a group of students without any distractions. The overhead projection feature of the Kodak Luma 150 makes it all possible. Another key feature that sets this projector apart is its pocket size and portable design. Weighing in at just 7.75 ounces, this projector is compact enough to fit in your hand, making it the perfect companion for anyone on the go. The durable carrying case that comes with the kit keeps everything organized and protected, so you can take your projector with you wherever you go. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a hobbyist, the Kodak Luma 150 is the perfect tool for presentations, demos, or just plain old entertainment. With the ability to project up to 100 inches, you can create a big screen experience anywhere, anytime. Now let's talk about the image quality. The Kodak Luma 150 features vivid DLP imaging with 55 ANSI lumens and a long-life RGB LED. This means you get bright, vibrant colors and sharp contrast, even in low-light settings. The native 640 by 360 resolution is perfect for most applications, and the projector supports up to 1080p input, so you can connect your devices and enjoy high-quality video. Whether you're watching a movie, giving a presentation, or demonstrating a technique, the image quality of the Kodak Luma 150 is sure to impress. But what really sets this projector apart is its wireless screen sharing capability. With built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi, you can easily mirror your phone, tablet, or laptop using AirPlay or Miracast. This means you can set up your projector in seconds without the need for any cables. Imagine being able to walk into a meeting room, pull out your projector, and start presenting in just a few seconds. The wireless screen sharing feature of the Kodak Luma 150 makes it easy to share your ideas, demonstrate your skills, and connect with your audience. Finally, let's talk about the setup and controls. The manual focus wheel allows you to adjust the image to your exact specifications, and the touch-sensitive controls make it easy to make adjustments on the fly. Whether you're fine-tuning the focus or adjusting the brightness, the controls are intuitive and easy to use. The quick and precise setup of the Kodak Luma 150 means you can get started right away without any hassle or frustration. In conclusion, the Kodak Luma 150 Mini Wireless Projector Kit is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to revolutionize the way you work, create, and present. With its overhead projection capability, pocket size and portable design, vivid DLP imaging, wireless screen sharing, and quick and precise setup, this projector is the perfect tool for anyone looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use projection solution. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Kodak Luma 150 today and discover a whole new world